So this 3D cutting machine
Yeah.
looks very advanced. Can you explain to me how it works?
This is a robotic cutting machine.
It's a robotic one.
It's more smart. Sometimes the works this cutter plate machine, sometimes they cannot work properly. But this machine is more smart, so it can cutting more solution.
So this is automated and it's robotic. It can do better job than these two machines.
This machine just arrived. It's not having the setup. Can you see?
Oh, it's brand new.
After we finish it down, the robot machine will be from top then cutting. We can use this machine, cut the connector for exhaust header and manifold. Sometimes this machine just can cut straight, but this machine can cut the elbows.
Okay.
Bend the elbow and 2 to 1 in the connector.
So it's got more function. Okay.
Yeah. Co-pass is one machine. We haven't.
It is connected together.
We haven't installed down. These are the jig running and the robot cutting.
Robots sit on this.
They match together.
And you have special people to install it for you, yeah?
Yeah. This machine can help a lot. Our production capacity become more. If we don't have this machine, sometimes we cutting by hand. But this machine, the cutting is more speed.
Of course. Yeah. And more accurate.